guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm here with my sister, hello, Miss Brooke, and today is a first for my channel because me and you, Brooke, my sister,
that's me.
We're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You spoiled it.
Sorry.
The Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery boxes. We both have one. These are the Supreme boxes. So this is the $160 box. And this box is supposed to have products in it that retail, I think, up to $400 worth of stuff. Is that what it said?
Like 300 something.
Yeah,
but like close to the higher end.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in here. I personally have never ever opened a mystery box before, so I'm very excited about this. I kind of saw a few spoilers on Twitter, so I know a couple of the things that we're going to be getting, but I'm excited. Do you want to cut yours open first, and then I'll cut mine open, and then we can open them at the same time?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, so cut the top. Oh
and then I was thinking, how do you want to do this? Should we, like, take turns pulling out products, or, like, how? Maybe
we can pull out, like, the similar products at the same time.
Okay. Wow, that was so much faster than mine.
I work in retail.
I can tell. I like it now.
Okay, so we have our boxes open, and oh my fucking god.
What?
The first thing that's inside. How come you got tissue paper?
You don't have tissue paper?
No!
Okay, don't cheat. You
Okay.
can't look. You just have to pull. Well, I was gonna just pull stuff out. Oh my god, I see something that's lime green.
I know, I see something that's black.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, I told you they
I'm
were
shitting my pants.
Okay, so should we just grab, like, the first thing that's on top?
Yeah.
I'm just not gonna look, even though there's tissue paper.
Right. Okay, I
Oh,
have
wait,
mine.
there's, like, two things I see.
I have my first thing.
Oh, okay. Who
Okay.
wants to go first? Oh my god, you got a mirror.
Ah!
That's what that means, right?
I think this is a mirror.
Okay, you open yours first, because I think we already know what it is.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I'm gonna pee.
Which one is it? Do you think it's, like, the
I hope it's the orange one.
Oh my gosh!
I got the orange Jeffree Star mirror!
Oh
my god, this is so cool! Halloween beach!
That is so cool.
Look at that! I can't believe you got she got a whole entire tracksuit.
Yeah, so here's the pants, and then this must be the top.
Shut the fuck up. Those are so expensive.
I know, I've been wanting one forever. Not to be, like, a complete, like, spoiled bitch, but, like, I'm not a huge fan of this color, but, like, I've been wanting one of these tracksuits forever, so I'll take it.
Dude.
Like, I'm obsessed.
Oh my god, do you feel it?
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, this is, like, really good quality.
I can't wait. I'm going to be wearing this all the time.
Yeah, this is cozy.
Oh my god.
That's going to look so cute on you.
I'm so excited. I know.
Look at that. This is, like, really, like, I'm actually surprised. This is, like, kind of, like, heavy.
Your turn. You pick out your next item. What? What do you see?
Oh my god.
I want one. I have a record player.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't. Look at. Okay, so this is the Jeffree Star vinyl, and it's for Prom Night and the Prom Night remix. Look at that.
That is so cool.
And I got a tracksuit too.
I see it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stop. We're cheating.
Okay, pull out your next
Okay,
item. Pull it out.
I feel, okay, oh, so this is wrapped. What?
I know what it is, and I'm really sad. I hope I get one.
Okay, you were right. This is
I
the mini breaker.
Yeah.
Which this was one of the things we saw on Twitter that people were getting, so we kind of already thought.
I want a mini breaker. Open it. Just say stupid.
Oh my god, everything's intact.
Dude. Oh my god, that color double scoop. Oh my god.
You!
Shut up.
my god, I love how little it is.
That is so cute.
I was obsessed with this collection, and I didn't end up getting anything because, like, broke life. But
yeah,
like...
broke life. Right, should I pull out the next?
Okay, yes, what's your next?
Well, one of the things I already have that you're going to get. Oh my god!
Love.
This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Love Me Not.
I saw it. Should I just pull mine out?
Yeah, pull yours out too. You got the same thing. Okay, so we
I
got
love these things.
a little lip bundle here. And we have Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, I don't have that one, Red Rum, which I don't have, and Unicorn Blood.
Oh.
Is it just me or does Unicorn Blood look really brown here?
Yeah, it does.
Like, that does not look like Unicorn Blood. That's so weird,
But, like,
but holy shit.
Two of, like, my favorites that were, like, a couple of, like, the ones that I got, like, the very first time he came out with, like, his line was Unicorn Blood and Anna Nicole, which I obviously don't have them anymore because they got old. So yeah. I'm so excited to have
I'm
them
most
again.
excited for Calabasas, Wifey, Red Rum, and Anna Nicole. Okay, the next thing I'm just going to quickly pull out and give to you, this is the Dirty Money lip liner. I already have it, but it does make a cool eyeliner. Do you want it?
Yeah,
okay, you
I
can
love
have
the
it.
lipstick.
Yeah, so... Okay, straight up, no hate or anything, but Jeffree Star's lip liners suck.
Yeah, they're not very good lip liners.
No, they're not. Like, the first time I tried them, I was like, ooh, nice. And then I tried them again and again and again, and it seems like every time I sharpened it and kept using it, my lips completely dried out.
Yeah.
So they make way better eyeliners than they do lip liners. Your next thing.
Okay, I got a Dirty Money.
Oh, okay.
I can already see I got a record, which is the same one.
Oh, okay. And yeah, see, like, I got the tracksuit, the exact same color.
And I see a mirror down here as well.
Ooh, did you get the orange one?
We'll see.
And I don't know if I'll wear, like, the whole tracksuit together, just because I feel like these are very loud colors for me, but I'm kind of excited that I have a fucking tracksuit. These are so expensive.
Oh,
Alright, what mirror?
Okay, yeah.
You got the orange one, too! This is your first Jeffree mirror.
I know, I don't have one.
This is my third, because I'm a freak.
Oh
it looks like I got a... Oh my god, did I get a mini breaker too?
Looks like that.
Yes! Oh my god! So I have the Jawbreaker palette, and I almost got the mini breaker, but then I was like, broke life. So...
Yeah.
I wonder if this one is broken, because my Jawbreaker palette came broken.
I know.
Oh, no, everything's intact. There's my mini breaker.
Did you get a straw too?
I did. Oh, this is cool.
So, metal straw. Oh, and it says Jeffree Star on it. Is yours like
yeah.
faded? Oh, mine is.
Oh, yeah.
But, I mean, I don't really care.
But, and it has the brush to clean
oh,
them.
how nice.
Yeah,
I didn't know
so that way when you use it, you can clean it.
Cool. Like, don't come for me, but, like, I've never really been a fan of the metal straws.
I'm not either.
Because I heard, I don't know if it was in Michigan or just somewhere else, but did you hear about that lady? How, like, she was in her kitchen and, like, she, like, got herself a drink and she had a metal straw and she slipped or something and the straw went right through her eye.
No shit.
Yeah. So, like, she slipped and, like, landed on her drink and, like, because it's obviously, like, hard and metal, it just went right into her eye. And ever since I heard that, I've been way too scared to have, like, ever get one. What's the next thing?
Supreme?
Supreme.
Okay, so it looks like we both got a Supreme Frost, and mine is in Caramel Kiss.
So is mine.
Okay.
Okay, so these mystery boxes must be the exact same.
Yeah, okay. The things were just, like, piled differently.
Right.
Ooh, I don't know. This might be too dark on us.
Ooh.
So here's what Caramel Kiss looks like. It looks like I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to try it. It kind of looks similar to, like, King Tut, which I used for a long time, and that wasn't too bad.
Here, I just put some on my face. How does it look?
Oh, that looks fine.
Does it?
I don't think it looks too dark.
Wait, what am I doing? I have a mirror.
Oh, yeah, use your new mirror.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess it's not as intimidating as it looks in the pan.
Right.
Okay, work, Sparks. Are you wearing a Supreme Frost?
I am.
I knew it!
Yeah.
I can tell. I really do like the Supreme Frost, but the thing I don't like about them is they are so glittery and they shed like crazy.
Oh yeah, they're very messy to use.
Yeah, but that's cool. I already have one. I don't remember. Diamond Wet.
Oh,
Which one do you have?
I have, oh my gosh. What is it? I think it's something peach. Which I got in my last mystery box.
Which is on her channel, which I will link in the corner, if I'm allowed to do that, or down below. I got a lip scrub. Did you get a lip scrub?
So did I.
Okay, so this is the Cucumber Mint.
Nice.
Did you get that one too?
Yeah.
Okay,
that
work.
Sounds nice.
I know.
Which I really need a new lip scrub. I'm like still using the one that like I first bought.
So I have a lot of his lip scrubs, but I don't have this color.
Oh,
so I'm excited.
Cool. Yeah, that's...
Ooh, that's interesting.
Oh my god, it literally... This sounds silly because I feel like cucumbers don't really have a smell. They kind of like just smell
No, they definitely
like water,
do.
But it smells like a cucumber.
It's very, very strong cucumber scent.
I love it. I kind of want to eat it. Which they are
I'm not
edible,
really...
but...
I'm not getting mint.
I'm
definitely getting more cucumber with this for sure.
But I'm so excited, so now I can get rid of my like really old and probably really expired.
I know, I have one up there. I think they last for 2 years, I think.
Oh really? Oh.
Alright, I got a lip ammo.
So did I.
And yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy!
Yummy.
What is this like one of the like shimmery metallic-y looking ones?
Is it? I kinda hope so.
Yes! Wow! Looks like
Gorgeous.
an alien's penis.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look, another hair.
Oh, scandal.
Remember when I unboxed the Jawbreaker collection and my other lip ammo had a hair in it?
Uh-oh.
It was just on the surface, though. It wasn't like a Jaclyn Hill pulling it out for 10 years kind of hair. Alright, I want to swatch it. What does it even look like? Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a lip topper moment.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Okay. So yeah, that's what Yummy is. Don't know how often I'll use that, but, you know, part of the collection now. Alright, so we got a liquid lip, which... not too excited about this color, honestly. This is Venus Flytrap. This is a color, like, I will literally never wear. Maybe
like
with the tracksuit.
Yeah, there we go.
So yeah, here is what Venus Flytrap looks like. Just a very loud green color.
Yeah. Oh my god, it like almost matches perfectly with the tracksuit.
So here's the swatch of Venus.
It's pretty, but like But the good thing about Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks is they're safe to use on the eye.
That's right.
So if anything, we could
liquid
use
eyeliner.
it. Yeah.
Okay, word.
If you want.
I kind of want to be just like really loud and try this on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that is loud.
It is.
It doesn't make your teeth look too yellow though.
No.
But that is a very loud color. I feel like I'm very distracting now. Like I feel like that's all
Why do I love it though?
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Moment. This ombre with Dirty Money.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, and we have one more product left in this box. I don't know if I want to keep this on.
Why?
I feel like it's like all you can see. And this one was a mystery box exclusive because it is a Halloween Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick. First of all, hi, the packaging.
I know.
Can we just take
Oh my god, I can't wait to see what the bottle looks like. I didn't even think about that till now.
Bitch. Well, there's only one way to find out. So mine is in the shade Zombie Kiss.
So is mine.
Oh my gosh.
Which is like a...
It looks like a metallic purple.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Wow.
That's really pretty.
Moment. For like more shine and metallic. Yes. Yummy over top of this. Okay. Again, being a little picky, I feel like for just the Halloween ones, they should have did like red and orange and black tops.
I agree.
For Halloween.
I was honestly...
Oh, the bottom is red
yeah,
or
that's
orange and black.
true. I was honestly expecting like to have like either either like a black top with like orange sparkles or like vice versa.
Ooh,
I feel
that
like-
would have been cool.
yeah.
This would feel more limited edition had they done a
Oh,
limited
yeah.
edition top. You
For
know
sure,
what I mean? Because he's never making this again. This was
Right.
like a one-time thing.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm gonna swatch it. I don't think. Oh, I do have one. I have one metallic lipstick, liquid lipstick by him.
Okay, so I think so do I.
Okay,
I like it. I would say it's wearable. It's not too sparkly or
for
like.
sure, yeah.
I
Yeah, it's
love that.
definitely wearable. Okay, guys, and that is everything that we got in both of our Supreme mystery boxes. There they are, all empty. Overall, I'm pretty damn happy with everything.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we got a lot of stuff, like a mirror, tracksuit, liquid lips, frost, even more lipsticks, like a straw, a vinyl record. Like,
What was your favorite thing out of everything?
my favorite thing? Probably the mirror. Oh, God. And the mini breaker.
Okay.
Those are probably my two favorite things. What about you?
I would say, okay, yeah, hands down, the tracksuit, because I've always, ever since he came out with them,
Okay.
I wanted one. And as far as makeup, probably like the full collection.
Yeah,
Because
that
I
is.
have like
You have volume 1 and 2 of the nudes, right?
I have just volume 1. I want to get volume
Oh.
2 so bad, but yeah, I have volume 1 and I love it.
Really?
And yeah, I wanted to get all the volumes.
Alright guys, so that concludes this unboxing of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery boxes. I know a ton of YouTubers beat us to it, unfortunately. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did watch, for those of you who are not subscribed to my sister's channel, I will of course put all of her social media, her channel down in the description box, along with the link of her first ever mystery unboxing, because she has done one before, but it is up on her channel, and I wanted to upload my first mystery unboxing on my channel together with my sister. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down, give this video a huge, huge thumbs up if you yourself are also a Jeffree Star Cosmetics fan like myself and my sister.
Yes.
Also, if this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button along with the bell so you don't miss out on any future notifications of when I upload or post. I love you guys, but until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!
Okay.
Does this look cool? Should this have been the thumbnail?
I was just gonna say, that's right.
No more spoon! Anyway.
Bye. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Oh.
Gross!
How do you do that? Oh.
Sick. Fucking gross. Look at mine! Look at it! What is it?
Yours is way worse than mine. Mine's covered by like a layer of fat.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this. Alright guys, and that concludes the... Fuck! Jeffree.
What are we doing again?
I don't know. I have to pee.
Oh my god.
Alright guys. I'm old!
I feel like I'm starting to get delusional.
Why?
Because I haven't really slept very good lately.